Anyway, so these golem cult member clowns, they're on the interstate, and they have something on the interstate that their cult member city workers put on the interstate, so they can run over it at certain times for psychological sorcery attempts. Yeah, that's what they're doing. 22-23 after on 2/11/2022. They just been doing it more than usual. At 22-23 after the hour. Everything has to do with the birthday, life path number, and anything that they're after that they're trying to get done with their stupid kindergarten false belief system and low understanding, even if it be somewhat true, of numerology or anything in the occult science realm, because they're not spiritual. That's why they're pathetic. Occultism, science, it still leads to spirit. Everything